Hello, this is Philip, and welcome to another tutorial of the Maekersuite platform. And this is how to stay organized within your Maekersuite profile. Let me quickly show you around the home screen. It's very simple. First of all, at the top, you have the research module where you can analyze videos, you do content explorations, and then you have the script editor where you can start from scratch and have your guided scripting flow using the Maekersuite AI. When you go to projects, you will find all the scripts and projects that you have started to create, and you can see tags here. You can add tags if you want to. For example, by adding one like this, you can simply write Maekersuite and then add a tag. You can also delete the tags if you want to. And then if you want to only look for the videos with the tag superfoods, you can type them in here. You can click on superfoods, and then only the projects that are with this tag will pop up. And then if you want to go and see all the other projects that you have created, you can simply delete the tag and the other projects will also pop up here again. You can also see the duration of your videos. You can see the deadline of your videos, which you can change simply by using the calendar here. And you will also see when the projects were last updated, when they were created, and then you can also change the state of the project. So is it something that you need to do? Is it something that is already in progress? Or is it something that is already done? You can then go into your project either by clicking on this or by clicking on the title of the project. And these have different colors depending on how far the progress of the project is. Green means that the project generation process has been completed. Yellow means that the project has either a script generation in progress currently, or that there is an outline being generated and the script needs to be finalized. And then a red dot means that the project generation process has either failed, which means that you need to start this process again. This can sometimes happen because of very high load on the platform or because misclick or something that has gone wrong. And then if you have a white dot, like this project here, you can see that the project has been created from scratch and no AI has been used so far. We then also have different views for your projects. So first of all, I want to show you the Kanban system, which currently has 3 different stages. The stages are to do, in progress, and done. And what you can do is you can move these projects around from one stage to the other if they're progressing in the process. And then there's something that we've added newly, which is Gantt view, which helps you better plan your project from a timeline perspective. And what you see is you see the whole timeline when the project has been basically created to when the deadline is. And there's different ways to change this deadline by either pulling the arrow here on the side and you can change it to a different date. Or what you can also do is you can click on it and then you get into your project overview screen. And on the project overview screen, you have all the different information that you have in the previous screen. But you can also then change the deadline by clicking on this. And again, you have the calendar view where you can change your deadline. What you also see is the different states of the different stages of your project. So if you look at this tab menu at the top here, we have the briefing stage where you can use the Maekersuite AI to write the script for you. You have the ideation stage where you can simply put some ideas down and write some notes. You then have the outline, which in this case has already been created. And then you have the finished script here. And then the publishing info, which gives you different title ideas for publication. It gives you, and then it also gives you tags that can be used for the metadata when publishing your video piece. And then you also have notes where you can simply add notes to the project. And this is something that when you go into an exploration or analyze a specific video, you can highlight certain parts and then add them to the note section to a specific project here. Or you can simply type something in here and then add it by pressing the blue button at the bottom. Then when we go back to your overview screen, we have the Gantt chart finished. And then obviously you can also filter for the projects that are active, those that are archived. You can show all. You can also filter for the different stages of your project. And again, you can search only projects with specific tags for your project. Then when going to the exploration menu, again, you will find all the explorations that you start with the Content Explorer. they will be listed here. In my case, this is only one project so far. So all the explorations that you've done in the past, you can always come back. They will be saved here, and then you can click on them and you can go and see the reports. The same is true for the analyzed videos. All the videos that you analyze using the video analyzer, they will be saved here, and then you can go back in the future and look at the data report for that specific video. And the same is true for all the generated ideas. So when you create an exploration and you create a report, at the top right-hand corner, you see content recommendations. And then these newly generated content recommendations, they will be saved in generated ideas. And then, for example, if there's something that you've done in the past that you like, you will find it in this menu and then create a project from this view. And this is how you stay organized with Maekersuite. I really urge you to use these different views of your projects because they will make it much simpler for you to actually stay on top of your production. And yeah, I hope you like this tutorial. And if you want to learn more about Maekersuite, please watch some of the other videos that we have on our YouTube channel. And if you want to get in touch, you can always write us an email or write us directly within the product, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.